Hello everyone. So you will see how we can make changes in pivot table in Excel. So let's start by creating a pivot table and pivot chart. So you can see in the data set we are selecting the entire data and then go to insert so that we can create a pivot table. So in pivot chart and table together, so we are going to create pivot table and chart in a new worksheet. Say OK. Now we are going to select the variable, which one will go in the row, which one will go in the column. We are selecting treatment, drag and drop on rows, so you can see it's selected on the rows, and then day 7 on the values, day 14 on the values, and then day 21. So you can see side by side whenever we are selecting them, it's creating the table and chart. So you can see on the more option, what you want to show, you can select more options in there, but we want to select the average of all those days. Now you can use the value field settings and change them. Similarly, for day 21, we are going to select the average. So here we want to create a pivot table and chart showing the different treatments and the average results after 7, 14, and 21 days. So you can see we selected 3 of them. Again, we are going to change the view option. We can add, remove, move, or change the order of the fields in the areas. So you can see I can add the duplicates on the columns or in the rows, wherever I want, and how it's changing my chart and table. Let's go to design and use different design. There are other layouts options that you can choose from the design tab. So you can see in the subtotal it says do not show the subtotal or add the subtotal. It's not mandatory, but you can add or remove them. And then now we can also add grand total for rows, columns, or only rows, only columns. So we selected only columns. Now you can see it's shown in here. Grand total only for columns. Insert or remove a blank row after each item. So you can see we are adding them. These are just for viewing purposes. And you can show the table in different forms. Most important one is the pivot table fields. We can add layouts, so you can play around using all those options. And that's it. Thank you.